Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me PANASONIC GH5, and now I'm gonna show you how to set up SS gain operation. Cool. So to find the setting, you need to open the settings, of course, then find video manual settings, and here you will see SS/generation operation. So this setting refers to how the camera adjusts its sensitivity to the light, either by changing the shutter speed, SS, or adjusting the gain, so ISO. So it's like SS to ISO. So and here inside we have several options, and here what each option means. For example, SS to ISO. In these, so as you can see, so angle, for example, angle to ISO. So here we have, so this mode is specially designed for video shooting and works similarly to the 180-degree rule. So in traditional filmmaking, for example, when the camera adjusts the shutter angle or shutter speed depending on your setting, so while maintaining a constant ISO. This helps achieve a natural motion blur in your footage, for example. SS to dB is primarily adjust the shutter speed while also allowing you to adjust the gain in decibels. So it's useful, I don't know, maybe for a situation where you want to precise control over both shutter speed and gain, so such as in low light condition where you may want to control motion blur separately from noise levels. And SEC to ISO, it's when the camera prioritizes adjusting the shutter speed and ISO simultaneously, so to have more properly exposure. So as you change one, the other will adjust accordingly to keep exposure consistent. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video and bye. See you.